Welcome back. We have a PearDAO airdrop live on CoinMarketCap. So you want to check it out. First and foremost, all you need to do is to add it to your watch list and click on this star icon here. It's going to add it to your watch list. Currently about 474,970 CoinMarketCap users who has this token on their watch list. Although the market data is not tracked yet, but you can still make your research about this token and you can go over to the official website here. So I'm going to head up straight there to see some perks on the website. So CoinMarketCap airdrops are usually very legit. They are free to participate in. Also, I want to encourage everybody, if you are not subscribed yet, you want to click on the big red subscribe button beneath our video, beneath this video. It also gives you access to be able to turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads such as airdrops and more. So guys, if you have any questions, anything you want to let us know in the comment section. So we're gonna head up straight to this, the official website for this token giveaway. You can read more here, marketplace and more. So they currently have a marketplace. I'm going to now head over to steps. So as of recording, this is an ongoing NFT airdrop. So PearDAO is doing a CoinMarketCap airdrop campaign. So each participant will be getting one NFT. You still have about 10 days as of recording before this giveaway elapses. So it's going to run from January 27, 2022 to February 8, 2022. Ends in 11 days. You have 1000 NFT airdrop reward NFT. Okay. So they'll be rewarding 1000 users, 1000 winners. Already have about 314,000 people participating already. But the major thing about airdrops like this is that they are usually randomly selected, and there are also ways which you can edge over lots of people. So we'll be looking at that, some basic tips you want to include when participating in these token airdrops. So PearDAO is a decentralized marketplace built for Web3 winners. We receive an unique Genesis PearDAO NFT, which grants you access to extra benefits including claiming of PEX token after our token launch. More details and benefits in the link. So this 100k 100,000 USDT. So how to participate: add PearDAO to our CoinMarketCap Watchlist. Make sure your watch is set at public. You want to join PearDAO Telegram group, t.me PearDAO IN. So join PearDAO Telegram channel. You want to follow PearDAO Twitter account, follow PearDAO Medium account. So you want to follow these your social media handles, so you get this will increase your chances. It also says here that PearDAO will randomly select 1000 lucky winners. So guys, for bonus tips, it says here on the Twitter task, you need to tag at least 3 of your friends. But we do recommend you tag as much as possible. If you have up to 10 friends that are interested in crypto airdrops, you want to tag them. And also you want to stay active. If you can, we do also recommend you retweet and pin their post you pin into your Twitter profile, and stay active on the platforms. Drop your comments and more. You can retweet as much posts from them too. These are some of the basic tips. But so since the most times airdrop participants usually participate in lots of airdrop, what we do recommend is that you can check out the timeline. I think winners list will start. They'll start selecting winners list from on February 8 or 9 or 10 and thereabouts. So you can easily check out the timeline. So when it's close to those dates, that's when you should add it to your pinned tweet. You can pin the tweet, because you can't pin more than one tweet, I think so, on Twitter. So that's easier by case. Or stay tuned for more. Peace out and one love, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.